Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to talk about how to convert your PDF files to Word in a very simple steps. I will be showing you two methods. Before that, please subscribe our channel. So let's begin. How can you convert your PDF into Word with these simple steps? First of all, you need to open your browser, go to your Google account, then you just go to your Google Drive. There you will see in the left side new, tap on it, upload file. Now select the PDF which you want to translate to Word. Here you can see our PDF is uploaded. Right click on it. There you will see open with Google Docs. See how it looks like. Both the image and text are here, from which you can copy this text and paste it to your Word, or you can just edit it here as well. But before that, I will show you how can you download this whole file. For that, you just go in the file section. It is in left side. Tap on it. There you will see download, and in the op you will see Microsoft Word. Click on it. So when you click on it, you can see our folder is downloaded. Now I'll show you by tapping on it how it looks like. Here you can see a simple PDF file. This is a small demonstration PDF file just for use in vertical mechanics. So you can see here what it says is this is a small PDF demonstration PDF file, just virtual mechanics. This is how our folder is downloaded so smoothly, and you can convert this PDF to Word so instantly. Now I will be showing you the second method. For the second method, you need to go to your Google account, I mean to say Google Chrome or any web browser, and type it down ilovepdf.com, www.ilovepdf.com, where you will find PDF to Word. Tap on it. Now select the folder that you want to convert PDF to Word. Click on convert. Your PDF has been converted to an editable Word document. You can download it in your gallery. Even you can save it to Google Drive. Even you can scan the QR code and send to multiple friends, or this is how you can just download the folder. Now let's see how it looks like. Yeah, here guys, you can see how it looks like. Now when you open it, you can just edit this folder so easily like this. Control A, then bold, italic, underline. You can change the color as well. Then you can just keep the text in the middle or center or far away. Even you can change the font style as well, like this. So this is how you can change the font or edit the text very easily by converting. Hope this video helped you a lot. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Guys, do like, share, subscribe and comment in the comment box for further and new videos. Thank you.